guys, today I will be doing the ultimate braid out, as you saw from the title, and as you see, my hair is a hot mess, as it always is when I'm starting a video. So I'm going to start off center in the crown of my head, like towards the left side, and I'm going to just, of course, part with my finger whenever I do a braid out or twist out. That's what I use to part. So I'm going to part one part diagonally, because I kind of want like the afro to be off center. I don't want just an afro, I want an off center mushroom type of afro, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and part the other side to make a section to braid, and then I am clipping both sides back. No, I did not sub part or anything. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie, as well as the curling jelly. I think, yeah, it's the curling jelly, and I used these products in my previous video. Check that out here as well. But I use those products. Those are good for moisturization. I'm going to be using my diamond brush to detangle, and then, looking very awkward, I'm going to braid that section. I am nearing the end of the braid, and then after I get away from the scalp, I'm going to braid further, probably about 2 to 3 more inches down, and I am making sure to detangle as I go so that my hair can be as easy to take apart as possible. I'm going to be using some water to spritz the ends just a little bit, and I'm going to be using the white rods today. I'm starting at the part that I left loose, but I'm also rolling it all the way up, and then I'm going to secure the rod. I'm going to do the same thing for the next part with my fingers and part in a diagonal manner, of course having the off center part. I'm using some leave-in conditioner by Aussie, and I didn't feel like using a water spray bottle. I wanted just a little bit more added moisturization, so I felt that I would use that. And then I'm still continuing to use the products by Shea Moisture. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other braid. Get towards the end, braid about 2 to 3 more inches down, and then detangle with the diamond. Make sure to leave it loose, and then go ahead and rod with my white rod. And I'm using the rods because this will give me the shape that I want, as well as a little bit of curl definition. If I was to just braid all the way down, my hair would look a hot mess when I took it apart. So I want to make sure I use the rods to give me some curl definition and to get the shape that I'm looking for, which is kind of like a mushroom tapered type look. And so this is self-explanatory like most of my videos, so I'm just going to speed it up from here. I'm not showing me parting or moisturizing the rest of the hair, but y'all know these are the steps that I'm doing throughout my whole head. And y'all, as y'all see, my skin is a hot mess. I did do a video with me covering up my blemishes, but I also think I'm going to do another series on my channel, so stay tuned for those videos. It's going to be my skincare journey, as far as what I'm going through with clearing my acne and the things that I'm trying. It's going to be more so a personal type vlog situation. It's not going to be like all formal, and you know, it's going to be the real me. Okay, so please stay tuned for that. I'll probably be posting another video like after this one. And I just want to take this time now to thank everybody that's been rocking with me from the beginning, everybody that just started watching me. Thank you to everybody that's new. Make sure you support. And that's that. So this is what my hair looks like after braiding and rodding. Now I'm going to, of course, be using my portable dryer attachment. I'm going to secure that on my head first, and then I'm going to use a towel to cover my ears and my neck, because when I tell you my blow dryer gets super hot, like I be in there squirming trying to make sure I don't burn myself. So the towel really helps me to be a little bit more comfortable. I'm going to put the end of the attachment on my blow dryer, and then I'm going to turn my blow dryer on high, but the heat setting is medium. If you turn it on high, you'll die, okay? Well, with my blow dryer. So I'm just gonna let it dry for a couple of hours. And now that it's morning and it's time to go to work, I'm taking my rods out of my hair. And as you can see, that curl is beautiful. Like, I love the way the curls turned out before even having to take my braids apart. It's bouncy. I love it. This is definitely one of my new go-to hairstyles. And I'm going to be using some oil by Garnier Fructis, I think. Or maybe it's Whole Blends. I don't know which one. I was confused in my last video too, but it's okay. I'm always confused. It's some oil. I'll link it below, okay? And yeah, I just rub my fingers with it so that my hair won't be super duper frizzy. And then just start taking a loose my braids the normal way. Okay, this is what you look like when you think you're done, but you actually still have a braid left. And this is near the end of the video. I really did not have to do much fluffing or anything to it. As you can see, my hair has a lot of body in its natural state. I can shake it and it'll fall right back into place. So I'm loving this hairstyle. Totally, again, my go-to style. Thank you all for watching the video and supporting me. And leave your comments in the comment section below. Make sure you thumbs up the video and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.